Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorials. So guys, in the previous video we successfully implemented the recent blocks functionality, and we can view our recent block functionality right here on the blocks detail page, and you can see it's working perfectly fine. So guys, in this specific video we are going to start implementing the responsive issue that are related to our mobile views. But first I just want to cover one thing. I just want to let you know guys that let's say if I move to login page, right here I have a forget password page for which actually in this video series we have not covered the forget password field. Why guys? Because I already have a video, a detailed video related to forget password functionality, and let's say if you want to implement this functionality, all you need to do is you can simply access my YouTube channel and you can view the video, which is in great detail, and it will be really helpful for you if you want to implement this functionality. So let me show you regarding the link. So let's move to YouTube. Okay, and I'm going to access my channel with the help of C/ and I'm going to write my channel name. It's not camel case, but it's like case sensitive. So my channel name is with A capital all, A capital about, and L for Laravel, like Laravel. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to type it exactly like this. Okay, so let's enter, and you will be redirected to my YouTube channel. From there, all you need to do is move to playlist. Right here I have initiated or created a new playlist which is related to Laravel 7 useful in English. Since this lecture is in English, so all you need to do is access this one. Let's move it right here. Okay, now what you can do is I'm going to pause this video. Now let's say if you want to, actually we have already covered these three in our blogging system. So what you need to do is you need to move to this one, Laravel 7 authentication, forget password and password reset functionality. So all you need to do is access this video and you will be able to implement the forget password functionality right here. Okay, so let's say if you want to implement this functionality, you can simply view this video and I don't need to create this video again and again. Okay, so I hope you guys got my point. Okay, now let's move to our topic for this video, which is actually responsive issue. So let's try to log in. I'm going to put my credentials right here, just like that. Login. Okay guys, so this video is related to responsive issue related to mobile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to inspect mode. Okay, inspect. And now let's move to the mobile view. So right here. Okay, so first of all guys, we have some serious issue right here related to mobile responsiveness. First let me show you. Let's say if you are an admin and you are trying to access the dashboard using the mobile, so this is what's going to happen. Let me do the refresh. So you are going to view our dashboard just like that. Okay, so in this case what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this theme such a way that it shouldn't show the sidebar at the first place. Let's say if I'm trying to access the dashboard, I won't be able to see it right here, but what I can do is I can simply click on this link and we would be able to see the sidebar. So this is what we are going to do in this specific video. Let's move to the let's say next video topic. In the guys, in the next video we are going to cover these issues. Let me just show you. Right here you can see we have a table which is going outside the div, so we are going to cover these type of issue in the upcoming videos. Okay, let's say move to blog, let's say add blog. So right here you can see all the responsiveness issue. Okay, so we are going to resolve this. Okay guys, so let's move back to dashboard and let's start working out with this functionality in which we are going to hide our sidebar on mobile views by default, so that a user or an admin can see the dashboard just like it, just like this one. Okay, so yeah guys, let's move to Sublime, but first let me show you something. Okay, so let me do a refresh here. Okay guys, so keep an eye right here, okay, on the body and on this navigation bar using this class. Okay, I will just tell you what exactly going on right here. So let me click right here and you can see we have added the class sidebar toggled, and right here using this class we have implemented, or we have added the class toggle right here. So let me click this again and you will see that these classes will disappear. So let me just show you, just like that. Okay, so once again, okay, so so that we are on the same page, so we are going to work on these two things in this specific video. So let's move to Sublime. Okay, let's move to public backend JS and sb minus admin minus 2 or hyphen, you can say .min.js. So guys, we need to do some coding right here, but for that actually what we need right here is a JS file and not a min.js file, because it will be hard. Let's say if you want to enter something right here, you will make a typo. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, let's say if you have the bootstrap sb admin theme till now extracted, what you can do is you can simply copy the content of sb-admin-2.js and you can simply paste it right here and it will work perfectly fine. But what you need to do is you need to change the name of the file in each and every layout wherever you are using this file, okay, this JS file. So yeah guys, in my case I don't have the extracted file, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy everything from right here. And let's move to Google and I'm going to say convert min.js to JS, just like that. Okay, so I have already used this let's say web, so I'm going to access this one again. I'm going to paste my code right here and let's click on the unminify, and right here we have our JS file unminified. So copy everything from right here and Control A, paste everything right here. Let's align our code just like that, and let's put some spaces so that we can at least read this code. Actually we don't need to read this one. Okay, so now what we need to do is, since we need to implement or work on the toggle classes right here, so let's start. So for that, let's put a condition first of all. If, guys, I know this because I have used this exact same theme in multiple projects, so I know that this is going to work. All we need to do is shuffle the classes, or let's say just the toggle, just toggle the classes, that's it. So yeah, in this case, let's say if dollar window dot width is, actually it's a function, so width is less than, let's say, 768. In that case, what I need to do is I need to implement toggle on body. So body dot toggle class, this one. Okay, and I want to toggle the class, and the class name is actually sidebar toggle, this one, toggled, sorry. Yeah, and the other thing that I want to do is actually let's access the sidebar, the one I was talking about. So I'm going to access it using the class. So sidebar dollar sidebar dot toggle class, the class name is in this case toggle, this one, first one. Okay, and let's move ahead, and now we are going to define one more case. Let's say if in any case the sidebar was already open, in that case what you need to do is we are going to define right here. So if, let's say if dollar, sorry for that guys, if dollar, and now I'm going to define the class again. I'm going to check for a condition if sidebar has class, which class guys? Toggled. Okay, this one. In that case, what you need to do is you need to access the sidebar and the collapse class dot collapse, and what we are going to do is we are going to collapse and hide that item, hide the sidebar actually, okay, using the classes. So just like that. Let's align our code. Okay, it looks fine. Now let's move to the website, and I'm going to hit a refresh right here. And now you see we let's say if we are going to access our dashboard, we are going to access it just like that. Let's say if you want to open the sidebar, you can simply do it like this. Okay, but the first appearance of our dashboard or any other page would be just like that. Let me show you another example. It would be just like that. Okay, so hide, we are going to hide the sidebar on initial view for the mobile views. Okay, so let's access the dashboard once again, and right here you can see it's hidden. So that's what we wanted to achieve in this specific video, and it's working perfectly fine. Now what I need to do is, since my work is done right here and this file is related to minified.js, so what I need to do is I'm going to minify this file once again. So copy everything. Okay, let's move to Google, and this time I'm going to write convert js to min.js, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to use this one, online JavaScript minifier. Okay, and I need to access it because I have an antivirus. So yeah, I need to grant the permission. So guys, what we can simply do is enter JavaScript right here. Okay, and let's say minify.js. Okay, so our minified.js is right here. So let's copy everything from right here, copy, and let's paste it right here. Control A, Control V, just like that. Let's cross check if it's working or not. Actually we can, yeah, we can copy from here I think as well, but yeah, it's fine, no problem. Okay guys, let's move right here. Let's check it out if it's working or not. Yeah, so everything is working perfectly fine, but I think guys I lost all the comments. So what I'm going to do is, let's move back because I think I have one more file. I'm going to copy this code. Okay, because I don't have my comments right here guys, I can see that. Okay, so for that let's move to this one. Let's try, oh sorry, this one. Let's try this one, minify. Okay, so I think again this is another file, so let's try this one. Nope, sorry guys, because I don't want to lose my comments guys. Yeah, actually this one, so minifier.org. so I'm going to paste everything right here and let's call minify. So this is the minified version, copy, and let's copy everything, sorry, Control A, select all and paste it right here. So now you can see our comments right here, see. So this is what I was talking about guys. Actually I wanted to retrieve that these comments. Okay, so yeah, now it's fine. Now let's cross check it one last time. Let's do a refresh, and yeah, it's working fine. So yeah guys, one last thing that we want to do in this specific video is, let's say if I want to click on this link, let's see what happens. So we are redirected to index.html. Let's change it to our, let's say, website homepage. So for that what I'm going to do is, let's close this file. Let's close this one. Actually let's close this one first, and let's move to resources, views, and let's move to backend, layout, and sidebar. So we need to change this one. Let's change it to our homepage URL. So it should be something like this. Okay, let's see this in action. Let's do a refresh. Let's do a refresh and let's try to access the homepage of our website. And yes, so it's working perfectly fine. So that's what we wanted to achieve in this specific video, and we have successfully done that. In the next video guys, we are going to cover some more mobile responsiveness issue. And I hope guys you like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.